Is it necessary to buy the name brand ink when it comes to refilling your printer? I'm going to talk with you about why that may be or may not be the best solution. I'm Handy Hudsonite, bringing you tips, hacks, and reviews so that you can get the job done. If you have a printer, as most of us do, one of the painful things that we have to go through is deciding whether we're going to pay the money to buy the extra ink. And depending on how often you use the printer, it's something that can be really expensive. In fact, it doesn't take long to spend as much on replacement ink as the entire cost of the printer, which is why printers aren't all that expensive these days, especially personal ones, because they know that the cost of replacement ink is through the roof. Now, do you need to buy the name brand replacement ink? Is it completely necessary? Well, again, this depends on what you're using the printer for. If you're using it for a lot of home-based activity, small business that doesn't require a lot of precise graphics and complex printouts, then I would say that the budget replacements are a great solution. If you're printing up invoices, a lot of black and white, even a lot of color prints, and even to some degree some photography prints can look almost as good with the budget replacement. And Amazon has a number of different ways of buying replacement ink, and there are even some third-party sites that you can buy ink through, which I have before. I'll put some links in the description for some places where you can find ink on Amazon. That's going to depend on your brand and your type of printer. I have an HP printer that we've been using. Actually, some neighbors of ours gave this printer to us years ago, and it's been a great workhorse for us when it comes to printing a lot of our printing projects that mainly have come from my kids needing things for school, or occasionally when I need to print something. So I can show you a box that I got off of Amazon, and this is filled with a number of replacement cartridges. I don't know how many are in here. It looks like there could be 10 or 12 cartridges in here. Now, this cost me a fraction of what it would have cost me to buy this name brand. So I will put the link to that as well. Now, again, that's going to be specific to my brand and model of HP printer. But I'd like to hear your experiences for how you replace your ink. And I know there's also the option of buying the refillable ink cartridges. You can buy those bottles, and that can be a good solution as well. I did that for a while, years back. And you can let me know whether you feel like that's even a better option than buying just third-party replacement cartridges in the comments below. So thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe, like the video, and I will see you in the next video.